Good morning from the Tupelo Regional Airport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today, I will be flying with Contour Airlines on board their Embraer ERJ-135 to Nashville. Contour has been serving Tupelo with their X-1 jet ERJ-135, which I've been wanting to fly on for quite some time now, so I decided to grab a flight rather than make the 4-hour drive to Nashville for my connection. OneJet was a startup airline focused on business travel, which flew beach jets and briefly an Embraer ERJ-135 operated by Contour. This ERJ-135 is the focus of today's video, so let's check out this unique regional jet. I arrived at the airport right as TSA opened and made it through right at the time of boarding. Due to the number of passengers arriving later, they delayed boarding by about 15 minutes. My plane to Nashville is November 17513, a 25-year-old Embraer ERJ-135ER. This aircraft was delivered new to Continental Express in 2000. And very briefly operated for United before being retired from the fleet. Contour picked her out of the desert in 2018, operated her for OneJet, then used her as a charter bird. She now runs scheduled services to small communities like Tupelo.
Carry-on allowance is one carry-on bag and one personal bag. On this Contour Airlines flight, carry-on will be tagged with a blue gate check tag. Please leave these bags at the foot of the boarding ramp and be sure to take them.
Contour's ERJ-135s have 30 seats in an all-economy configuration. These economy seats are 18 inches wide and offer 33 inches of pitch. The slightly modified cabin configuration here has the best legroom in the Contour fleet. The seatback pocket is in okay shape, but it's definitely showing its age. The tray table is very clean, but does not extend. And something I really didn't expect, this seat has a power outlet. Please enjoy the views as we make a 20-minute delay departure off of Tupelo's runway 18. Contour offers a standard snack and beverage service on all flights. This includes a choice of pretzels and Biscoff cookies, as well as Coke products and water. I went with the pretzels and a Sprite. Oh, and in case you guys were wondering, the aforementioned power outlet does actually work, and I realized it's only available in seat 10C. Please enjoy our descent into Nashville, landing on runway 20 right. This has been yet another easy and comfortable flight with Contour. The airline does an excellent job at using the Essential Air Service for its intended purpose, to connect small communities to major hubs and open up connecting flight opportunities. Tupelo was Contour's first destination under the current name, launching with flights to Nashville. The Nashville flight proved popular and stuck around. Now with the addition of Dallas, Tupelo's boarding numbers have gone even higher. This is the case for most small communities Contour serves, and it's really great to see. The cabin on this specific ERJ-135 is really great, and is what I would consider the most comfortable in Contour's fleet. I hope to soon try some other planes in the fleet, such as the 30-seat CRJ-200. Thank you for watching this Nix Aviation Trip Report with Contour Airlines. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.